US President Donald Trump said he would halt funding to the World Health Organization of its handling of the coronavirus pandemic while his administration reviews its response to the global crisis.
Today, I'm instructing my administration to halt funding of the World Health Organization while a review is conducted to assess the World Health Organization's role in severely mismanaging and covering up the spread of the coronavirus.
Trump told a White House news conference that the WHO had failed in its basic duty and it must be held accountable. He said the group had promoted China's disinformation about the virus that likely led to a wider outbreak of the virus than otherwise would have occurred.
Had the WHO done its job to get medical experts into China to objectively assess the situation on the ground and to call out China's lack of transparency, the outbreak could have been contained at its source with very little death, and certainly very little death by comparison.
The United States is the biggest overall donor of the Geneva-based WHO, contributing more than $400 million in 2019, roughly 15% of its budget. The hold on funding was expected. Trump has been increasingly critical of the organization as the global health crisis continued. He has reacted angrily to criticism of his administration's response. Trump went ahead with this announcement, which drew immediate condemnation despite significant pushback within his administration, especially from top health advisors, a U.S. official told Reuters. The World Health Organization is a UN specialized agency, an independent international body that works with the United Nations. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres said on Tuesday it was not the time to reduce resources for the body.